Okay, so this is continuing on with the rocker panel Bondo repair here. So as you can tell, this was the Bondo from where I left off, and I sanded down with 40 grit all the way to this side, which you're not probably seeing on camera. But I have some low spots here, and I had a little lap patch, a little lap weld patch I put in there. So basically I'm just gonna put in another light coat of Bondo glass to kind of cover up some of those see if I can cover up some of that, make that a little bit more smoother. Because I've sanded and sanded down and sanded, but I want to try to make that as smooth as I can. Make it as smooth as I can. Yeah. And I have a low spot right there. There you go. I had prepped the panel with wax and grease remover and spray away glass cleaner. So I feel pretty good about the panel prep. Prior to doing, like I think I already said, after I sanded down to 40, I used 80 grit to go ahead and get out all the finer scratches that I didn't really think I could deal with. Like I said, I'm just taking my time, seeing what I can do on my 24-year-old Ford Ranger manual transmission, 3.0 liter, 3.0 liter. Has 164,000 miles on it, but it's been a good truck. And if you want to call this restoration, so be it. Oops, should have left better off alone there. Dagnabbit. I always get ahead of myself. Yeah, let's see. Once it goes on, you should just leave it. Otherwise, you're going to be back where you started. So, focus on what I'm doing here. I'm pressing it in really firm. Really firmly pressing the stuff in there. This Bondo glass. Paying attention to the lines here. There you go. Coming back through. Feeling good. I mixed this stuff up about 5 minutes ago. So I think they say it, generally you're looking at a setup in about 15 minutes. I'm going to use a cheese grater to knock some of this down, as you probably would have seen on my last video. Yeah, this is looking a lot better than I'm happy with already with this way this is going to be. You'd have to go all the way back to my first series of videos, you can see the nasty holes that was in this thing. Get that in there a little bit. Okay. Let's see. I'm just looking at where I'm gonna throw some of this here. Filling off my hand. I'm gonna go up here. Probably won't be able to see it on camera, but I had a little bit of I had to weld in a patch up here. So I'm gonna work up here a little bit just to get this spot a little bit better. Make it a little bit more even. No, you probably can't see this on camera, but so guys, like I say, you can do this. I believe that with all my heart that's in me, you guys can do this stuff. Just have the confidence. Don't listen to that negative talk that sometimes that might get in your head. Just go ahead and have at it. The worst thing that could happen is that you do it again. Start over and do it again. And that means you would have learned something. So there's nothing wrong with do or do not. There is no try. Just do. I call that Yoda. And I see I should have left this alone again, but I keep fussing with it. But I'm gonna use that shirt foam and knock this stuff down. The reason why is I should have came in from the top and worked down. But that's okay. So, let's see if I can. You guys can catch this stuff right here. Work. Ooh, it's hardened up pretty good. Well, too late. It's already hardened up. See, guys, that's what happens when you don't work fast enough. Material that's gone bad. So, oh well. It is what it is. So, I'll just scrape it up. Call it a day. So, word to the wise, you gotta work quick. Okay. So, I'll just show you the panel. That's the panel with it in. It's gonna look a ton of lot better than what I was doing. This is the rest of the panel. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more in there. Put some more Bondo on this. Dang, got nothing to lose, everything to gain. I'm just learning. Learning and learning. Alrighty here. So, if you're with me for 10 minutes and 11 minutes here, good for you. So, that's what I have to say, and I'll catch you on the next one.